Off-season travel is kind to your wallet. You avoid the crowds and experience the destination in a more authentic and relaxed manner. Flights and accommodations are often significantly cheaper, allowing you to save a substantial amount of money. This means you can travel longer or splurge on special experiences that you might otherwise skip during peak season. With off-season travel, your travel dollars go further, allowing you to stretch your budget and enjoy more activities. Off-season travel allows you to experience more for less, giving you the freedom to explore at your own pace. Imagine strolling through a famous museum, almost empty. Take your time to appreciate the art and artifacts. Picture yourself wandering through charming villages. Meet friendly locals going about their daily lives. This is the essence of off-season travel. It's about experiencing a destination's true character. Off-season travel is a chance to connect with the soul of a place. You'll find a different pace of life. Experience the rhythm of local culture without the crowds. It's a more intimate and authentic way to travel. Section 4. A local's perspective, unveiling the hidden gems. Locals are more relaxed and welcoming during the off-season. They share their favorite spots, from hidden trails to secret viewpoints. Discover hidden cafes, markets, and scenic trails. These places hold the stories and traditions of the community. Savoring a local dish or participating in a traditional activity creates unforgettable moments. Imagine joining a local festival. The vibrant colors, music, and dances immerse you in the local traditions. Create lasting memories through genuine interactions. These moments of connection make travel rewarding. Section 5. Savor the tranquility, embracing the peace of off-season travel. Off-season travel is a sensory experience. Imagine the scent of blooming flowers in spring. Picture the crisp air of autumn in the mountains. These are the moments that rejuvenate the soul. Escape the noise and chaos of everyday life. Find peace and tranquility in the off-season. Off-season travel allows you to slow down, connect with nature's beauty at your own pace. It's a chance to recharge and return home refreshed. Section 6. An invitation to explore, discover the magic of the off-season. Off-season travel offers a different perspective. Embrace the unexpected beauty of destinations. Discover the charm of shoulder seasons. Spring and fall bring pleasant weather. Enjoy the best of both worlds, fewer crowds and comfortable temperatures. Unlock the hidden gems of off-season travel. Ditch the crowds, save money, and experience the world in a new light. Adventure awaits those who dare to explore beyond the peak season. Embrace the journey and discover the magic for yourself.